Loading labels for your Shop for Shops 2-line pricing gun. There are a range of labels available, including blank white set, blank fluoro orange, and blank fluoro yellow. See our website or catalogue for more details. Start by opening the label case on the top of the gun. Next, push the locks on both sides of the bottom of the gun to open the back cover and also open the base plate. Start by removing labels from the first 10 centimeters of the roll and creasing the tail to make it straight. Place the new roll of labels in the top of the gun and thread labels through the gun, making sure they go in the slot in the front of the roller. Have about 10 centimeters of labels come out of the bottom of the gun. Push the base plate closed. Fold the labels over the base plate. Make sure the labels are tightly rolled over the feed roller. Press the push here part of the back cover. It'll go click. Congratulations, you've now successfully changed labels. If you need help changing the ink roller, please check out the separate video.